Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn letter A. Take out your book, alphabet book, and page number was 4. Letter A. This is the letter A. Okay. Which fruit is this? Can you tell me? This is the apple. Which sound we will pronounce? A, apple. A, apple. Very good. Okay. What is the picture is this? This is the ant. A, ant. A, ant. What is this? This is the ambulance. A, ambulance. A, ambulance. What is this? This is the aeroplane. A, aeroplane. Okay students, now sing with me a song. A is apple, apple, apple. A is ant, ant. A is ambulance, ambulance, ambulance. A is airplane, airplane, airplane. Please repeat after me. A is apple, apple, apple. A is ant, ant, ant. A is ambulance, ambulance, ambulance. A is